English A2. Making a hotel reservation. Lesson by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
Hello, I'd like to book a room.
Sure. For what dates?
From June 12th to June 15th.
One moment, please. Yes, we have rooms available.
Right. How much is it per night?
It is $80 per night.
Does that include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Nice. I want a quiet room.
We can give you a room on the top floor.
That sounds good.
Do you want one bed or two?
One bed, please.
All right. May I have your name?
Tom Hill.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555 minus 148.
Thank you. Do you need a smoking room?
No, a non-smoking room, please.
Of course.
Can I check in early?
Maybe. What time will you arrive?
Around 11 a.m.
I will note that for you.
Good. Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
Perfect.
Would you like a parking space?
Yes, please. I have a car.
All right. Parking is free.
That's helpful.
Would you like to add dinner?
No, thank you. Just the room.
No problem.
Can I pay at the hotel?
Yes, you can pay when you arrive.
Do you need my card now?
No, not now.
But I hate giving card details online.
I understand. Many people feel that way.
Last time, a hotel charged me twice.
Oh no, that must have been annoying.
It was. I checked my bank the next day.
Did they fix it?
Yes, but it took 2 calls.
That sounds stressful.
So now I always ask before I book.
That is smart.
I also ask about noise.
Yes, that is important.
I once stayed next to an elevator.
Oh, that can be very noisy.
I barely slept for 2 nights.
Then a quiet room is a good choice.
Exactly.
Would you like a room with a city view?
Matey, is it more expensive?
Just $10 more.
I think I'll skip it.
All right.
I only need a clean room and a good bed.
We can do that.
Do you have late checkout?
Yes, until 1 p.m.
That would help a lot.
I can add that for you.
Thanks. My train leaves in the afternoon.
Then late checkout is useful.
Yes, I hate rushing in the morning.
Me too.
Can I see the room first?
Usually we do not show rooms first.
Oh, really?
But I can tell you the room is standard and very clean.
Okay, I trust you.
Thank you.
How many guests can the room take?
2 guests.
I'm traveling alone.
Then it is perfect.
Do you have a gym?
Yes, we do.
Good. I try to exercise when I travel.
That is a healthy habit.
I do not always follow it.
Most people don't.
What about a late night snack?
We have a small shop near the lobby.
That's useful.
It is open all night.
Great. I usually get hungry late.
I understand.
Can you repeat the price?
Yes, it is $80 per night.
And breakfast is free?
Yes, it is included.
Okay, that seems fair.
Would you like me to reserve it?
Yes, please.
All right. Your room is booked.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One more thing.
Yes.
Is the hotel near the station?
Yes, it is a 10-minute walk.
Perfect. I do not want a long taxi ride.
Then this hotel should work well.
I think so too.
Can I help you with anything else?
Maybe later. I need the address.
Of course. It is 18 Green Street.
Got it.
I'll send the confirmation by email.
Thanks. I always save those emails.
That is a good idea.
I once lost a booking paper.
That can happen easily.
Yes, and I was very nervous.
Now email is safer.
I agree.
Your reservation is all set.
Thank you, Anne.
Have a nice trip, Tom.
Thanks. I hope the room is as quiet as you said.
I think you'll like it.
If not, I will complain politely.
That sounds fair.
I am not rude, just careful.
That is usually the best way.
Do you get many difficult guests?
Sometimes, yes.
What do they complain about?
Mostly noise, price, or small rooms.
So the same things I worry about.
Exactly.
That makes me feel better.
Baird, we try to avoid those problems.
Hotels are strange.
How so?
You pay a lot just to sleep.
True, but a bad night can ruin a trip.
That is also true.
So a good hotel matters.
Yes, it really does.
I hope yours is a good one.
Me too.
Would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, please. At 7 a.m.
All right. Wake-up call at 7 a.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think that is everything.
Yes, your reservation is complete.
Right. I'm ready for the trip now.
Wonderful. Enjoy your stay.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.